Hey, join us for a tour at our office. Welcome to Vinali Group. This is where the magic happens. This place is designed to serve our partners as well as for the well-being of our consultants. In this space, you will find multiple conference rooms where you can work with your team, along with private cubicles for important online meetings or calls, and a chill lounge to relax and bond with the team. Come along. At Vinali, you can find a range of exciting roles. You'll find revenue cycle management, PCCs, intake administrators, customer service, accounting, admin roles, marketing utility billing, finance, HR, IT, and much more. Come visit us and experience the energy of our new workspace. Let's partner and grow together.